In this video, we're going to be replacing the driver's side high beam headlight in the Chevy Colorado. This should be exactly the same for about 2015 to 2022. So let's go ahead and get this changed, get this vehicle back on the road. So let me show you exactly where this light bulb is. If you look over here, you'll see your window washer fluid reservoir. And now you'll see this big dust cover right here. It's going to be underneath this. We're going to need to remove that dust cover, so you're going to rotate it to the left or counterclockwise. And just pull straight back to remove the dust cover. Alright, so right here is your high beam light. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to have to rotate it to the left or counterclockwise to remove it. And then just go ahead and pull straight out. And now to remove the bulb from the harness, you're going to lift up on this tab right here. You see how it's attached to this little nub? You just need to lift up so it goes over that nub, and then it's going to pull straight off. And then to reattach the new bulb, all you do is just squeeze together till you hear it snap into place. And you'll see right here this tab is locked in place. Now we need to get the bulb back into the housing. You'll see 3 tabs on the housing and the bulb. Those need to line up, so we'll push in. And once those are in, you just rotate it to the right. And it's locked in place when it's straight up and down. Now the dust cover has little nubs on it as well. Those need to line up with the slots. And we're going to push in and turn to the right. It's not locked into place, but I do have it pushed in. So if you see the GM logo, that's at like the 5 o'clock position. So then push in, turn to the right, and then you'll see the GM logo is straight up and down, and now you know it's locked into place. And that's all there is to it, guys. The new driver's side high beam is installed and working correctly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.